Hello, and welcome back to Real English Conversation, a place where learning English feels easy, fun, and natural. I am Jessica.
And I am Adam. How are you today, Jessica?
I am doing really good. Thank you for asking. I woke up early today, so I feel fresh and kind of bright. How are you today, Adam?
I am feeling great, thank you. I feel calm, relaxed, and also a little excited because we have a very helpful topic today. And before we start, I want to say hello to all our viewers. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here.
Hello, everyone. We hope you are all feeling good today. Please tell us in the comments how you are feeling. We really love reading your comments. It helps us understand you more.
So, what is our topic for today, Jessica?
Today, we are talking about something very important. We are talking about how to introduce yourself. And I am super excited because this is something that every English learner needs to learn. When you know how to introduce yourself clearly, you feel more confident. Confident means you feel strong and sure about yourself.
That is true. I think a good introduction is like the first step to any conversation. It is like opening a door. You open the door, and then you can talk more, make friends, learn new things, and all that.
Exactly. That is a good way to say it. We are going to talk slowly, step by step, so that everyone understands fully.
And viewers, if you find something helpful, please comment below. I learned this. It will help you remember. And please like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more lessons for you.
Let us begin. When you introduce yourself, the first thing you say is usually very simple. Hello or hi. These are easy words, but they are very important because they start the conversation in a friendly way.
Sometimes people feel shy about the first word, but saying hello is like taking a small step. It's not big, it's not scary, but it starts everything.
After hello, the next thing is usually your name, like, hello, I am Jessica. So simple, right?
Yes, very simple. Hello, I am Adam. And sometimes people use the word name if they want to be extra clear, like, hello, my name is Adam. That is also perfectly fine.
Now, viewers, try to say it with us. Say, hello, my name is, and put your name at the end. If you want, write your introduction in the comments. We can check it and help you.
Commenting really helps you practice. Practice is like training. Training means doing something again and again so you become better at it.
After you say your name, maybe you want to add something small about yourself. This is optional, which means you can do it if you want, but you do not have to do it.
For example, you can say where you are from, but make it simple. I am from Japan. I am from Italy. I am from Brazil. Simple, clear, and easy.
If you say it slowly, it sounds more friendly. Do not rush. Rushing means going too fast. When you rush, people sometimes do not understand clearly. Slow and calm is better.
And then, after you say your name and where you are from, you can add one more small detail. Maybe your job, or your hobby, or something you like.
Yes, something very light and easy, not heavy. If the idea is heavy, it means it has too much information. Keep it light, like, I like music, or I work as a teacher, or I enjoy reading books.
For example, I can say, I am Adam. I am from Canada. I enjoy cooking. Nice and simple.
And I can say, I am Jessica. I am from the United States. I like painting. Very simple.
Viewers, you can comment your simple 3-sentence introduction below. We love seeing your writing.
Now, let us talk a little more deeply about each part so that the learners understand fully.
Let us start again from the beginning, the greeting.
The word greeting means saying something friendly at the start. It is how you open a conversation. Hello and hi are the most common greetings.
Sometimes you will hear good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. These are also greetings. They are more formal. Formal means more serious and polite, but hello works in every situation.
Also remember, when you say a greeting, your tone is important. Tone means how your voice sounds. If your tone is soft and friendly, the other person feels comfortable.
Tone is like music in your voice. If your voice is calm and gentle, people feel safe and good around you.
Practice saying hello with a friendly tone. Maybe smile a little while saying it. Smiling makes your voice sound warm.
If you are enjoying this lesson, please give us a like. One small click helps us a lot.
After the greeting comes your name. And we know this is easy, but we want to explain something small. When you say your name, say it slowly and clearly because different countries say names differently.
Sometimes a name has a sound that other languages do not have. When you say it slowly, people can understand it better.
If someone does not understand your name the first time, do not feel bad. It happens all the time. You can repeat your name. Repeat means say again.
It is normal. It does not mean your name is difficult. It just means the other person is hearing it for the first time. Repetition helps.
After your name, you add your country or city. This is very helpful because it gives the other person something to talk about.
For example, if you say, "I am from Thailand," the other person might say, "I want to visit Thailand." Then you can talk more.
If you feel shy about speaking, remember that small sentences are completely okay. You do not need long sentences.
Small sentences are safe and easy. They help you feel calm.
Dear friends, if you are still with us, please subscribe. We upload many helpful lessons like this.
Now, let us move to the next part, talking about your job or your daily activity. Some people work and some people do not. Both are okay. If you do not work, you can simply say what you do most days. I am a student, or I stay at home, or I take care of my family.
Taking care means helping your family members with things they need. Very important work.
If you do have a job, say it simply. I am a driver. I am a nurse. I am a shopkeeper.
Keep it simple. And if your job is long or difficult to say, you can say it in an easy way. Instead of, I am a mechanical engineer, you can say, I work with machines. Machines is a simple word.
Dear friends, please comment your introduction after the video. It helps you practice and remember.
Let us talk about hobbies. Hobbies are things you like to do in your free time.
Hobbies show your personality. Personality means how you are on the inside, like your style or your nature.
You do not need many hobbies. One is enough. I like dancing, or I enjoy gardening. Gardening means working with plants and flowers.
Or, I like movies. It gives the other person something to say. They might ask, what kind of movies? Then the conversation grows naturally.
A conversation should grow slowly, step by step, like a plant. You water it little by little.
I love that comparison. Let us talk about a very important thing, speaking slowly.
Many learners think fast English means good English. That is not true. Slow English is clear English.
Clear English is beautiful. It helps everyone understand you, and it helps you feel confident. If you agree, please like the video. It helps our channel a lot.
Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are normal and natural.
Mistakes are like steps on a staircase. You climb the staircase by stepping on each step one at a time.
Do not feel nervous. Nervous means worried or scared. It is okay to feel that, but do not let it stop you.
When you introduce yourself, it is okay if your grammar is not perfect. People care more about understanding than perfection.
Viewers, if you want more videos like this, subscribe and turn on notifications.
Now, let us talk about adding a friendly question after you introduce yourself.
This is a great way to continue the conversation. After you say, I am Jessica. I am from the United States. I like painting. You can add, what about you?
It is a simple question. It means, tell me something about you, too. It keeps the conversation alive.
And it is easy to remember. Just 3 words. What about you?
When you ask it, try to look friendly. Your face helps your words.
Facial expression means the look on your face. A friendly expression makes the conversation warm.
Warm means comfortable and nice, not cold and distant.
Now, viewers, repeat this with us. Hello, my name is. I am from. I like. What about you?
Please comment your version below. We will read it.
Let us talk about something useful, using filler words.
Filler words are small words like well, and so. These words help you when you need time to think.
They make your speech sound natural. Native speakers use filler words all the time.
You do not need many, just a few to make your speech soft and natural.
For example, I am Jessica, or I like music. Very simple.
If you forget something while speaking, filler words give you a moment to think.
They show that you are relaxed. Relaxed means calm and not stressed.
Try using filler words when you practice your introductions.
And viewers, please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps us grow and helps you get more lessons.
Now, maybe we can show a full sample introduction together slowly.
I will start. Hello, I am Jessica. I am from the United States. I like painting. What about you?
Here is mine. Hello, I am Adam. I am from Canada. I enjoy cooking. What about you?
Very simple, right? And see how we did not rush? That's important.
We kept everything light and easy to understand.
Now, we also want to talk about body language. Body language means how your body moves when you speak.
Standing straight shows confidence. Confidence means feeling sure and strong.
Small hand movements can make your speech more natural. Not too big, just small.
If you feel shy, that is okay. Many people feel shy when introducing themselves.
I used to feel shy when meeting new people. Small steps helped me.
If you feel shy, write in the comments, I am learning slowly. We will support you.
Now let us talk about how to end the introduction.
Endings are important. A simple ending could be, it is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you means you feel happy to meet the other person.
After that, the conversation continues naturally.
Let us practice a full introduction with an ending. Hello, I am Jessica.
I am from the United States. I like painting. What about you? It is nice to meet you.
In mine, hello, I'm Adam. I am from Canada. I enjoy cooking. What about you? It is nice to meet you.
Viewers, please try it. Write your full introduction in the comments.
We want to read it. We love reading your introductions.
Before we finish, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps us so much.
And tell us in the comments what you learned today. Even a small thing helps you remember.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you feel more confident about introducing yourself.
And we hope you feel happy and ready to practice.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Take care, everyone.
Bye!